Namaskar and greetings on Doctor's Day to all my friends and countrymen. As you all know, Doctor's Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth as well as the death anniversary of the most iconic and renowned physician of the country, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, or Sir B.C. Roy as you know him. But not even in his dreams, Dr. B.C. Roy would have thought that the present generation would be celebrating Doctor's Day hiding their faces. Not because of shame or not because of guilt, but simply to protect themselves while protecting their patients. Not even once would he have thought that the present generation of doctors would be afraid to celebrate the Doctor's Day. What to talk of shaking hands and greeting each other on the Doctor's Day. And believe you me, we never thought that in an era of social networking, we will be following social distancing. This pandemic crisis of COVID-19 has tried to shatter the confidence of many of us and at times succeeded also. Never ever we have seen medical fraternity living in so much of anxiety, fear and uncertainty. The extent of consumption of anti-anxiety pills, the sleeping pills and antidepressants rose to its peak during this summer. And my dear friends, this had a reason. So many of our colleagues, around 1,000 of them to be precise, working at the front line, contracted this illness and became corona positive. And we even lost few of our dear ones while discharging their duty and serving the humanity. And this is the reason for the fear and anxiety amongst some of us. Never ever I have seen that some of our frontline workers, despite finishing their daily routine, do not want to go home because of the fear and risk of carrying some of these bugs and viruses back home to their families. All said and done, the medical fraternity stood rock steady despite this temporary setback and still hovering like a towering personality against this COVID madness. And I'm sure unitedly we're going to fight it out in times to come. At times, the doctors have been compared to the soldiers who are fighting at the front and laying down their lives. I salute to all the soldiers, but I double salute to all the corona warriors and the medical fraternity because they are not only risking their life, but also risking the life of their families too while at the work. On this auspicious Doctor's Day, I pray for good health and safety of the entire doctor fraternity and their families. I also pray to God to provide eternal peace to those martyrs who laid down their lives while serving the humanity. अंत में दो पंक्तियां कहना चाहूँगा। जिसने जिंदगी दी है, उसने भी तो कुछ सोचा होगा। जिसने जिंदगी दी है, उसने भी तो कुछ सोचा होगा। तू हौसला रख मेरे दोस्त, ये वक्त ही तो है, ये भी गुजर जाएगा। Have a good day.